Hi my dear friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Mars Space. If you're new, hit bell icon with thumbs up and please watch till the end. NASA's Mars rover acquired this image on Martian surface on Sol 554 of its mission, and front of rover spotted this structure. It's clear the shape is not natural, 100%. Looks like artificial object, possible sculpture, a broken statue, or a mask. What do you think? Let me know. You can see face, eyes, nose, mouth. It's a human face. There are new pictures of Mars captured by NASA's Mars Perseverance rover. NASA's Mars Perseverance rover acquired this image using its left Mars-Cam Z camera. Mars-Cam Z is a pair of cameras located high on the rover's mast. This image was captured on 20 May 2022, Sol 443. For the first time, scientists have grown plants in lunar soil. When the astronauts of our Apollo missions came back to Earth, they brought back new perspective pictures and lunar soil, known as regolith, so it could be studied and saved for future research. Scientists have grown a relative of mustard's green regolith. They choose the plant because of its ease to growth and small size. This groundbreaking discovery is a major leap forward in the future of long-duration space travel and will be instrumental in our path towards both the Moon and Mars with Artemis. Curiosity Mars rover captured these images on Sol 3478. Selection and brushing of new objective in less claritous bedrock in Meridiator Butte using Mahli camera. Curiosity landed 9 years ago on 5th August 2012 to study whether different Martian environments could have supported microbial life in the planet's ancient past. When lakes and groundwater exist within Gale crater, the rover pulverizes rock samples with a drill on its robotic arm, then sprinkles the powder into the rover's chassis, where a pair of instruments determines which chemicals and minerals are present. Curiosity recently drilled its 32nd Martian rock sample from a target nicknamed Contours that will help detail the transition from the region of clay minerals to the one dominated by sulfates. Because it's winter at Curiosity's location, the skies in the new panorama are relatively dust-free, providing a clear view all the way down to Gale crater's floor. Here are pictures from NASA's Mars helicopter from the 27th flight. Ingenuity photographed the parachute and a rare shell of landing of the Perseverance rover. These images were acquired on 20 April 2022, Sol 418 of the Perseverance rover's mission. The camera is mounted on the fuselage of the helicopter and points approximately 22 degrees below the horizon. During the Feb 18, 2021 landing of Perseverance, the parachute and backshell were jettisoned at about 1.3 miles, 2.1 km altitude. The parachute and backshell continued the descent and impacted the ground at approximately 78 miles per hour. The triangle cables have seen streaming out from the top of the backshell and caught with Martian dust off the surface. At the time of photo, Perseverance is on its way to an ancient river delta with J0 crater. The closer we get, the more impressive those images will be. Researchers and scientists aimed for Perseverance to head to the delta since it's one of the best places on Mars for the rover to look for signs of microscopic life that may have existed in the past. This NASA rover is also well known for collecting various samples of rocks on the red planet to bring along in its return to Earth using a drill on the end of the rover's robotic arm and the complex sample collection system in its belly. The perspective of Delta for me is that every day will be full of excitement and could bring anything. Let me explain that a bit further on a Space Mission Live 2020. Every image that is returned by the rover of the Delta rocks will be in a very real sense unique. Let's explore that line of thinking a bit. Over time, the delta becomes a layered responsibility, like a book with pages, which one can turn over each day to learn more about the history of Mars. How does it achieve this? Well, the rocks and sediments had to come from somewhere. They were stored in a region called watershed of the delta. This is a much bigger area than J0 crater itself, about 45 kilometers across, and the rocks we see in the delta will inform us about a wide range of Martian process. And some rocks may even be older than J0 crater itself, about 3.9 billion years old. This might happen, for example, if a very old rock is preserved in the watershed and then is broken off by water and then carried by the fluid into the river. If we do get access to these super old rocks, then this would be a very interesting thing for rover to sample for eventual return to Earth. Another mind-bending possibility is that we may find fossilized traces of ancient Martian life in these delta rocks. Like the video, share the video to your best friends, stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.